Hello friends and welcome to my channel Daily Tech Tutor. Today we will learn how to buy items on SHEIN Exchange. So first of all, make sure you have the application installed. Open it. Once you open the application, you will see a lot of categories in front of you. You can select your desired one. For example, I'm selecting men. Now you will see all the listing of the products. You can select any of them. For example, I'm selecting this one. Now if you scroll down, you can see the option to choose the color, and if you scroll more, you will see the review section. You can read the reviews and make your decision. Now select the color and select the size as well, and click on add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, on the top you will see a cart icon. Click on it, and over here you will see all the items which you are trying to buy. Now on the bottom, click on checkout and fill up these details. Fill up your location, first name, number and everything, and click on save. Once you click on save, you will get option to buy it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.